So a little demonstration that we're going to quickly do is give you a little rundown, just some messaging. So I'll just finish this up. Sorry, just take 1 second to get this running. So here we've got the UCX screen that we can see. So simply, I've got my information here. I've got my room information, which is my own my room. I can bring people into that there. I've got messaging, meetings. So I can talk to Manisha. See Manisha's on there. So send Manisha a message, see if she's there. She'll see the message. Yep, send me something back. Got the ability to have contacts. I can make calls, set up my settings as to how I want to go from there. So, and I've got a list of all my, favorites and contacts that I want to send through to. So integration and search, I can do everything from here. We'll just go back, show something else. So when we do our meetings and sharing, we have teams. So whatever you do in your UCX is also replicated in your teams as well too. So to Manisha again and say, I'm here now. So now I've moved over and I'm just typing from WebEx Teams, and that's now sending her messages through to the UCX client that she's got there as well too. So they synchronize, and it synchronizes across all devices as well now, to your mobile device and your desktop and PC are all synchronized now. So it makes it a lot easier. Now we'll just jump back to the presentation again. So give me just 1 second, please. Okay, so that's our demonstration. Quick, short and sweet, I know, but you can have a look and give us a call if you want to have more information. So product bundles and pricing. So what have we got in our product bundles right now? So we've broken the product into 4 products, but to 2 main streams. We've got our basic and our meetings. So in the, they both have the soft phone capabilities, and then your messaging, will provide messaging and team spaces. I won't go through this too much. It's just a short little table that you can see that's information there. And then you have your meetings, which gives you your video conference rooms and ability to do things there slightly different. Personal meeting room, you can have up to 25 users in that personal meeting room. And you also get your call-in audio from anywhere with our set numbers that we have in Australia, and schedule meetings from in there as well too. So the UC packages and feature sets that we've got. So we have a UCX Basic, which is basically a single device service. So you can have one device there, whether it be a mobile, a desktop, or a tablet. So you can only have the one device there. It's good for low use requirements, or people are just running off their PC only, so they don't need to have anything else from there. And you can have it in the 2 components as well too, whether it's just the soft phone only, or you can include the meetings as well too, if you want to have meetings. So you've got messaging or meetings. And you also get included voicemail as well too. So the next bundle is if we use the UCX Premium. So Premium allows you to have shared devices now. So you can have shared devices. I can have my PC now, my mobile, a desk phone, and a tablet. I have one or all, or any combination that I like. And I can manage there. I can be talking on my desk phone, and I can pick up my mobile. I need to go out. I can pull the call to my mobile, and off I go and talk on that device there, and hop in the car, drive off, and no one knows any different that I've left the office from there. So it's a good way to keep track and manage and move things. And again, when I get back and I want to finish talking on my mobile, I can pull the call back to my PC or even to my desk phone. So the product codes and devices that we've got, so where they'll work. So as I said, we had 2 products. So we've got a basic, which is messaging, and then we've got a premium, and then a basic for meetings, and then the premium messaging and the premium meetings. And they'll all work on the soft phone, the UC1 phone, which is there. We branded UCX when you pull it down, but it works on your Android, Apple's, Windows and Apple and iOS as well too. So we'll cover off on all. Reselling to customers, so unique selling opportunities, flexible on and control. Leverage the brand loyalty you have with Broadworks, obviously as the leader in that market, and also expertise in introducing WebEx brands. So crush the competition with tightly integration app features and device-only WebEx meetings and Teams can do. They are the leaders in this market, and it shows from what their capabilities and functionalities are. So hopefully it will help reduce churn and customer lifetime value. Rapid innovation cycle development, continuous app updates. This is one of the main reasons we move quickly across to the WebEx side, because with Cisco's backing, the product is growing and growing. So soft phone for full collaboration. Ordering. You got, for that, in order to resell UCX services, there's just several items that need to be covered off. These are covered off in our UCX training module and webinar that we have for how to actually provision and use that. So there's some product components, license requirements, obviously, that you need to know, device types that you want to have connected, and we go through the quote provisioning, moves and adds and changes, how to support that product, and migrating away from the old unified communicator to the UCX. So end dating of the unified communicator service, we've end dated that product now, and it's time to migrate across to the new one. Ordering and quoting, so it's quite simple. Qualify the customer's opportunity, create a quote, and add a product against the customer in our unified front end platform. And we add the primary line devices, any other shared devices they might need depending on what license, and then we create those users and pretty well complete the order. So the only difference there is if you are using the meetings component, at the interim right now, you just have to send us through to partner support, so you want to upgrade that license to allocate meetings to it, and then we'll sort that out straight away for you. So again, ordering and quoting, you would have seen our unified front end portal. So just little things from the catalogs, we'll pick the handsets and devices that we want to add, and then we can create the user or a single user. So unified communication products that we had. So the communicator products, the release of the UCX will impact the sales of the rest of our following of our products. So products will no longer be available out of the business line and a UC bolt-on, or your standard enterprise and UC bolt-on, and the premium in UC as well, or the UC bolt-on add-ons to any of those ones there. So they'll all be migrated to the UCX. So you can talk to us and if you have any queries or questions about that. UCX product supports and documents and websites. We've got a whole lot of collateral that's available to help and assist on using, migrating, and information on there. So you can follow that from these links we've got. So thank you